I've been teaching Vectorworks for over 30 years. One of the things I really love at the moment is Vectorworks' introduction of phasing. Now, the other day I was teaching a landscaper how to do phasing. There's a relocated plant there, and I've got this information here. And I was looking at this here, looking for the phasing. So here it is here. The phasing turns up on the objects once you've got phasing set up. But to start with, I had the project set like this. And so I looked here. There's no phasing. I don't understand. Why can't you do phasing in landscape? It turns out that until you create some phases, so we need to go here and we need to manage phases. As soon as you start creating phases to manage, so for example, I can insert after, and I can call this demolition. Now, as soon as I do that, and OK, phasing now opens up on your object info palette. So it's not until you create a series of phases that you're allowed to introduce phasing to your objects, which kind of makes sense, I guess. So that was my struggle yesterday. I'm glad I solved it. So here's the answer. Create some phases, and then you can use phasing with your landscape projects. In this case here, I've got existing, I've got demolition work, I've got phase 1, which is the front garden, and I've got phase 3, which is the back garden. And then I've got a series of visualizations set up so that I can see existing, demolition, phase 2, and phase 3. I just thought that if I made that phase 1 demolition, and then phase 2 the first garden, phase 3 the second garden, it would make more sense to me because of the names up here of the phases. Hey, I hope you enjoyed watching that. This is just a sample of what I do. I've got a school community. I'll put the link in the description. And I get to answer your questions as you go through the webinars. My webinars are interactive. Catch you there.